wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector boy.
Boom! What's good, YouTube gang? It's the word Jambisco, the girl them kiss going. We're there back with another banger video. You already know what we're doing today. We're there with the one Senegal boss. Big rabbi like buck. Rising, bossa bob rock. Renny Benson, bossa bob. You already know what time it is, man. We vibing, gang. Today we got the one Senegal boss himself, Mr. Pantan himself, Mr. Paggle Boat himself. You already know what I'm talking about, gang. Yeah, today we're back with Najeeriii and the one entitled CRUFF. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and you already know what time it is. We know yeah, we know that Najeeriii real dope, up and coming out. Well, not up and coming, him get him buzz. You know what I'm saying? That right now. That have him buzz right now. You know what I'm saying? One of the most talked about, contagious, intriguing, confusing, hard to catch but still catchy flows in dancer right now. I'm talking about Najeeriii, man. And he just dropped a new track entitled CRUFF. What was the last track we reacted to from Najeeriii? What was the last one we reacted to? It wasn't Pantan. It wasn't Paddleboard. It wasn't Bob Rock. Was it Bob Rock? I don't think that's the last one we reacted to from Najeeriii. You know what I'm saying? What was the last track we reacted from Najeeriii, bro? Damn, bro. Don't come catch a blank right now, bro. Rockabye. Yeah, there you go, bro. That was the dope. Yeah, Rockabye. And that was what, yo, I ain't gonna lie. Rockabye to me, in my opinion, is one of his best songs that he has ever done. You know what I'm saying? It's just crazy good, bro. You know what I'm saying? So if you haven't heard Rockabye or my reaction to it, make sure you go check it out. Link it is on the channel. You know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? Make sure you go check it out on the artist channel as well. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, dope track. He's back at it today with CRUFF. We loving it. He dropped it like 12 days ago, and you know he dropped a new track. So I'm loving the consistent Najeeriii, you know what I'm saying, and the frequency of your drops. So we're gonna check out this one, gang. We don't have all the vibes most long. Let's get it, man. We lit, man. Make sure you're making every day count, gang. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you're taking your steps towards your dreams, you know what I'm saying, and making every day count, because nothing comes easy. But with a little effort and work every day, yeah, you will get there at one point, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we got Najeeriii, the one named CRUFF. Let's check it out, gang. Let's get the vibes going. Senegal boss. YG, what's up, rock? I mean,
I see.
yeah, man. I see.
Your dear side.
You know, hey, dog. I see that come with the big grabber catchphrase already coming.
Grabber send it me that.
Yeah,
man, I got that, man. Big grabber like bah.
Yeah, man.
Big grabber send it me that. Any CFT when the girl give me tea back. He bang a relax.
Glad he bang. Yeah, they was any when you say the meal bag. Any CFT wire girls tea bag, seed bag. Come in.
Any CFT where your girl give me tea back. He bang a relax. That a no real banger, that a friggin' idiot. He send me clothes clean, so you gotta feel the feature.
Man say that a no real banger, that a idiot. Yeah, man, this one gonna be fun. Yeah, man, come on, let's get it.
Big grabber like bah.
Yeah.
Big grabber send it me that. Any CFT when your girl give me tea back. He bang a relax. That a no real banger, that a friggin' idiot. He send me clothes clean, so you gotta feel the feature. He said,
boy, man, say that a no banger, that a idiot. Semi-close skin, so they gotta feel the feature. I want to them, man. Talk to them, Naj. Come in. Right, Clad, that boy don't size up.
That a no real banger, that a friggin' idiot. He send me clothes clean, so you gotta feel the feature. He said me buzzy like a Senny Billy Pizza. Getting in the cheese, and me take it, get it team that. He said if it come in our belly, for me breathe that. He feel it real fast, I did tequila. She feel
so me come in our belly for me breathe that. They feel it real fast. I did tequila. Bomba do them. Come in now, man.
He said if it come in our belly, for me breathe that. He feel it real fast, I did tequila. She feel for, and at the same little CRUFF. Now pussy pay slip, can't pay for my shot. Me making money all day.
And the same little CRUFF. The pussy, the little, what is it? The little pussy pay stub can't pay for me shot. Hey, that bad. Come here, gang. Come on, I only hear that one. Come on. Build that up, come on.
Them little CRUFF, now a pussy pay slip, can't pay for my shirt. We making money all day for the funds, cause it don't never mama G, I hate till my guts I read the game, can't pass, so me pray for my done. I just hit life for your raised in the slum. Never ban, see I better wait for my ton.
Just a life in a raised in the slums, never see, born so me never see, I better wait for me ton, come on.
Cause it don't never mama G, I hate till my guts I read the game, can't pass, so me
Man say gozy dung, I never mama G, I hate him me go. Oh, what?
pray for my done. I just hit life for your raised in the slum. Never ban, see I better wait for my ton.
Man say I just say life when you're born in this love. Never born see a better way for me ton. Bomba. Come on.
Continue work and claim for my own. I will take what is mine, stay bang in line. When I paid me to change a kid life. You touch the link and
Bomba. The man say yo. Hey. Come on, we gotta hear that.
see I better wait for my
Son,
ton. I'ma put in work and claim for me one. People is mine, stay bang in line. When I paid me to change a kid life.
Man say yo. Oh my man. Never born see a better way for me ton, so me put in the work and clear for me one. Only take what is mine. Yo, man say one IG page in change a youth life. You know what I'm saying? Real shit, bro. Come on.
Never ban, see I better
Wait for me ton.
I'ma put in the work and claim
For me one. With his mind, stay money lines. IG page to change a kid's life. Woo. He man said never man see a better way for me ton. So me put in the work and claim what is mine. Stay banging the line. Stay banging the line. One IG page me see change a kid's life. Bro, that's facts, bro. People, a lot of people in the Caribbean, as I mean, a lot of older heads, you know, people, your parents, your grandparents, you know, people before we, people in the Caribbean, they don't know the power of the social media thing, you know what I'm saying? They don't understand the power of music and doing YouTube and making content. They don't understand that if they see a them thing and they feel like I they don't understand that these things can turn a big old Fortune 500 company, bro. They don't understand that, you know what I'm saying? They don't understand, say, yo, you start and work it off and later it's a big, multi-million-dollar company. They don't understand that. So they see you doing anything and they feel like, say, yo, yeah, I glad you're waste of time, bro. They don't know, say, this is a business just like any other business, like a corner store or a doctor's office or, you know what I'm saying? They don't understand that, bro. You know what I'm saying?
I will take what is mine, stay banging lines.
When I GP, this change a kid's life.
You touch the link and a page is mine. We making money, a patience is fine. No 9 to 5, that wage will rise. Neighbors will fight.
Man said, no 9 to 5, the wage will rise. Come in, my yacht.
And I'm neighbors will fly. And if you're not press millions, so waste that in time. Now the wallet with that lad to share a bit climb.
Man say, if you not make millions, bro, you waste that with time. You know what I'm saying?
No 9 to 5, that wage will rise. Neighbors will fly and neighbors will fly. And if you're not press millions, so waste that in time. Now the wallet with that lad to share a bit climb. The ship man, who Senegal? I'm pressing to be got the youth selling gas. Bad bitch, I listen up, each tune on the job.
Easy now, man. They want to know who are Senegal. You see me that I put in work and thing. They want to know who Senegal I know. You see me what the Senegal boss. Who the youth are doing thing here. And before they used to talk about the man in my microphone thing, you know.
When it black chip and nearly fuck a fool jelly crack. Me have to boss a you can't prove any can. Them full up a chat and it's a goon prezi hat.
Yeah, I mean, man, if you boss and then can't stop that mafia, man. I'm tear, man. Yeah, straight. Then can't stop that mafia. We have to make it. You see me? That mafia stand up, bro. You know what I'm saying? Stand up. Let them know we're strong over here, gang. Come on, man.
He youth sell his stocks and he cruise and he ram. Prezi Benz, then he move like he caps. And at the same little CRUFF, now a pussy pay slip can't pay for the shot. We make it money all.
Oh, man, big up. Big up.
And he cruise and he ram.
Come on, man.
Prezi Benz.
Come on, man. Big up your dog, man. I'm tuning, man. Man, say my youth. Bad, no. I'm tuning. That bad. You see me? That bad. This man went in on this, bro. People sleep on this, you know. You don't realize how bad the tune is. You see me? I say, yeah, man. And I see him look a CRUFF. No look a pussy pay check. Can't pay for me short. The man put in work and the thing build up. You see me? Now the man I live large and better than most of them people. That's why you see me. That's why we over here working, gang. We building our channel. Enough people don't see it, enough people go feel like say, yo, we wasting time, we are all type of stuff. You see me? Enough people are turning their back and thing, and then they go did it. And so when they done it at the end, they'll be like, oh, yo, this is what this man is working does. He just need a little more time. You know what I'm saying? Rare, but we gonna put in our work, bro. We gonna get it. You know what I'm saying, gang? Come on. And I really see him look a CRUFF. Now I pussy be asleep, can't pay for my shot. We making money all day for me guns. Cause it down I never mama G, I hate him go. Carry the game, can't pass, and me pray for my done. I just hit life for your ears in the slum. Jeez, no, man, big up yourself, Najeeriii, man. Yo, the youth out, the thing say him. I know a lot of people thought this man was gonna be a one-hit wonder, man. But nope. That boy here to stay. Come on.
I better wait for my tons. I'ma put in work and claim for my own big grabber send it me that. And it's if it's tea when a girl give me tea back. He bang a real act. That a not real banger. That a freaking need that. He say me clothes clean so he gotta feel the feature. He say me buzzy like I said he be the beeswax.
Easy now, man. Tia man, mad thing, bro. Come on, do your thing. You on Senegal, boss. Come in.
Cheese and me take it to the team that. In our belly for me read that. If you need real fast, I did tequila, she fiend for. And I the same little CRUFF. Now I pussy pay sleep, can't pay for me shot. Me making money all day, every guns. Cause it down I never mama G, I hate him.
Big up yourself, you young youth in the game doing this thing, bro. I'm glad to see it. We're happy to see it. And it's gonna be only happening more. There ain't no more gatekeepers in dancehall blocking niggas from now, bro. If you can't put your thing on and your thing fire, you gonna bust, bro. Let's get it.
Cause I read the game, can't pass, and me pray for my done. I just hit life for your race to the slum. Never ban, see I better wait for my tons. So I put in work and claim for my one. And it's if it's tea when a girl give me
feature.
Big grabber like Bob.
Yeah, man, big grabber like Bob himself, man. Big up your damn self. Come on.
Big grabber like me that. Hey, dear side. God flow. I see. I cut that time, no man. I don't see him like a CRUFF.
No, big up in Senegal, boss.
Making money all day for fun. Never mama G, I hate them. I can't pass, I'm a pray for my son. Just hit life and raise to the slum. Never ban, see I better wait for my
ton. You do work and claim for me one. Yeah. Yeah, man, put in work and claim for my own. Never stop. Yeah, come on, man. Snap on this, bro. Come on. Yeah, man.
Claim for my one. Put in work and claim for my one. Claim for my one. Big grabber like Buff. Hey, dear side.
Crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? Big up Najeeriii, bro. Glad to see you, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Keep doing your thing, bro. Keep going, bro. Bro, this young Utah dog. You see me, dog, I do him thing, man. Proud of him, man. And keep it up, dog. Shoot for the star. You don't know. Yeah, man, dog. And beyond. Keep growing, bro. You got a lot to learn, a lot to grow. You know what I'm saying? Young in the, so you got years to go, man. And growth. Lots of growing to do. So, man, you only can get better and better. Young Pablo IG, you know what I'm saying? You're very young in that game, bro. And you're not doing a thing great. You see me? And it's so early. This is like your first year. So imagine once I get 5 years, 10 years in the game, man. You know what I'm saying? Making different links, working with different producers, getting different opportunities. You know, the sky's the limit, man. So keep doing your thing, gang. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing that thing, shooting for the stars, shoot beyond the stars. You know what I'm saying? Beyond the universe. You know what I'm saying? And just keep going, bro. You know what I'm saying? We Dom Mafia over here rooting for you and we keeping track. You know what I'm saying? We all here watching. You know what I'm saying? And supporting. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, if you like that, gang, make sure you go show the artist some love and support. And definitely go in the comment section and let me know what your favorite part was. Definitely drop the comments. Let me know his beat, melody, lyrics, whatever it was. Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, make sure you join the Discord. Link to the Discord is in the description. Go click it. Join the Discord. We're lit over there. You can talk to me directly. Send me videos. Send me requests. All that good stuff, gang. So yeah, definitely go check out the Discord, man. Yeah, and yeah, man, we vibing, gang. You don't know, your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.